Welcome aboard to Carnival Horizon. Today we're taking you from the very top of the ship all the way down, showing you everything the Horizon has to offer. And after spending 8 days on board, we're also going to answer one question. Is the Carnival Horizon actually one of Carnival's most underrated ships?
Monkey love, oh monkey love, travel. Pack your bags, let's hit the gravel. Exotic places, friendly faces, monkey love takes you to amazing spaces. Swing from the ice, feel so free. Travel the world, come and see. With monkey love, oh can't you see? You're on the trip of a lifetime, it's where you should be. From the jungles to the beaches, cities to the seas, monkey love's got the deals to travel with ease. So grab your passport, leave your worries, we're here to make the journey full of stories. Monkey love, oh monkey love, travel agency. Your adventure starts here, come and travel with me. Monkey love travel agency. Your adventure starts here, come and travel with glee. Swing from the vines, feel so free. Travel the world, come and see. With monkey love, oh can't you see? You're on the trip of a lifetime, it's where you should be. From the jungles to the beaches, cities to the seas, monkey love's got the deals to travel with ease. So grab your passport and leave your worries, we're here to make your journey full of stories. From the jungles to the beaches, cities to the seas, monkey love's got the deals to travel with ease. So grab your passport and leave your worries, we're here to make your journey full of stories. Monkey love, travel agency. Your adventure starts here, come and travel with glee. Monkey love, travel agency. Your adventure starts here, come and travel with glee.
As you can see, we've started all the way up top outside to give you a better feel for the top decks of the ship. We're going to slowly make our way down so you can see how the entire ship is laid out. So the Carnival Horizon is a Vista-class ship, and one thing we've really enjoyed about this class is how much outdoor space there is. You're really going to see that repeatedly as we walk around the ship here.
Monkey love, oh monkey love, travel. Pack your bags, let's hit the gravel. Exotic places, friendly faces. Monkey love takes you to amazing spaces. Swing from the ice, feel so free. Travel the world, come and see. With monkey love, oh can't you see? You're on the trip of a lifetime. It's where you should be. From the jungles to the beaches, cities to the seas. Monkey Love's got the deals to travel with ease. So grab your passport and leave your worries. We're here to make the journey full of stories. Monkey Love, oh Monkey Love Travel Agency. Your adventure starts here, come and travel with me. Monkey Love Travel Agency. Your adventure starts here, come and travel with glee. Swing from the vines, feel so free. Travel the world, come and see. With Monkey Love, oh can't you see? You're on the trip of a lifetime. It's where you should be. From the jungles to the beaches, cities to the seas. Monkey Love's got the deals to travel with ease. So grab your passport and leave your worries. We're here to make your journey full of stories. From the jungles to the beaches, cities to the seas. Monkey Love's got the deals to travel with ease. So grab your passport and leave your worries. We're here to make your journey full of stories. Monkey Love Travel Agency. Your adventure starts here, come and travel with glee. Monkey Love Travel Agency. Your adventure starts here, come and travel with glee.
This is the tides pool area, and as you can see, it can get somewhat busy back here. It's a very popular area. We're going to show you down on deck 5. There are a few places where you can actually escape the crowds for a little bit of peace. One being the Lanai area, and another being the Havana area. One of the best features about the Carnival Horizon is their Havana cabin area and their large dedicated space for that. And you have to book a Havana cabin in order to access it. So we did not have access to it on this trip, but it sells out quick. So if you get the opportunity, I would suggest booking a Havana cabin. They've got two hot tubs and a pool on the aft of the ship on deck 5. Coming up here in the center is down below is the casino We actually have a full casino tour in a video we will link in the description. For spending 8 days on board and now showing you around the entire ship, is Carnival Horizon one of Carnival's most underrated ships? In my opinion, it is to an extent. If it wasn't for the itinerary, I'm not sure we would want to do the Horizon again if it wasn't for the Havana cabin area. We would sail it, but again, just for that area. And this itinerary, we went to the ABC Islands, so I think we would probably cruise any ship going to ABC Islands just because it's such an amazing place. If you've liked this tour of the Carnival Horizon, please check out the videos on screen, one of our embarkation day and two of our full casino tour. Please like, subscribe, and leave your comments below if you have any questions. And until next time, seize the day.
Monkey love, oh monkey love, travel. Pack your bags, let's hit the gravel.